गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास 9th स्टूडेंट। कल हम लोगों ने एल्जेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज़ पढ़ी थी। मैंने आपको एल्जेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज़ राइट कराई थी। आई होप आपने सारी एल्जेब्रिक आइडेंटिटीज़ लर्न कर ली होंगी। और उससे रिलेटेड मैंने कल क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 5 2.5 एक्सरसाइज के 1 से लेके 5 तक के क्वेश्चंस को समझाया था। आज हम लोग 6 से लेके 15 तक के रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस को करेंगे। ठीक है, तो सिक्स क्वेश्चन क्या है? सिक्स का फर्स्ट पार्ट अगर हम लोग देखें तो इट इज़ 2x+1 होल क्यूब। So we apply here an algebraic identity whole cube of a plus b that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. So by using this identity we expand this expansion. So we write down 2x as a or x cube, 1 as a y cube plus 3x, x means 2, y means 1 and 2x plus 1. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 x cube plus 1 plus 3 to the 6 x 2x plus 1 8x cube plus 1 plus 6 to the 12 x square plus 6x. Here we apply an identity whole cube of x plus y or a plus b that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. We apply this like this. We solve the remaining part of this sum. So we solve fourth part, x minus 2 upon 3 y's whole cube. So we apply here x cube minus 2 upon 3 y's whole cube minus 3 a into 2 upon 3 y x minus 2 upon 3 y whole cube of this x cube 2 to the 4 to the 8 3 3 and 9 3 are 27 y cube 3 is cancelled from 3 minus 2 xy x minus 2 upon 3y x cube minus 8 upon 27 y cube minus 2 x square y plus 4 upon 3 xy square. Here we apply an identity whole cube of x minus y that is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy and bracket x minus y. Now we solve question number 7th. The first part of question number 7th is whole cube of 99. We write down 100 minus 1 cube and we apply an identity 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 bracket 100 minus 1. After simplifying you get the answer like that. 102's cube 102 cube को क्या करेंगे? We write down 100 plus 2's whole cube. 998 in third part it is written 998's cube. We write down 1000 minus 2's cube. So we solve the remaining part of this sum. Now we take question number 8. In question number 8 we factorize. So the factorize of the first is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So you write down 2a's whole cube, that is b's whole cube. Here you take common, something is common in this term, or you write down directly, you write down this term, you write down 3a. What is the mean of a? It is 2a and b and bracket 2a plus b. After simplifying, if we simplify this 3 to the 6ab and 6ab multiply with 2 that is equal to 12ab square and 6ab multiply with b, so it is 6ab square. It means it is a whole cube of 2a plus b, and the factors are 2a plus b, 2a plus b, 2a plus b. These are the three factors of this polynomial. Like that, we solve fifth part of this sum. So fifth part of question number 8 is 27 pq minus 1 216 minus 9 upon 2 p square plus 1 upon 4 p. So we write 3 p's whole cube minus 1 upon 6 q minus 3 a b, or in bracket 3p minus 1 upon 6. If we solve this, we get if 2 times, so 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 multiply with 3p, that is 9 upon 2p square, and minus 3 upon 2 multiply with this. So what we get? We get 1 upon 6. Then this is the whole cube of 6p minus 1 upon 6 cube. So we write 3p minus 1 upon 6, 3p minus 1 upon 6, 3p minus 1 upon 6. Ninth, verify. First, x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y, next bracket x square minus xy plus y square. We take left hand side, write down x cube plus y cube, adding and subtracting, adding and subtracting 3xy bracket x plus y. So while we add this, and we subtract, so whole equation remain same. Okay, then this becomes the whole cube of x plus y minus 3xy in bracket x plus y. According to the rule of the equation, we can add something, and same thing if we subtract, then the equation remains same. That's why we add 3xy bracket x plus y, and we also subtract this. So the whole cube of this is whole cube of x plus y cube minus 3xy in bracket x minus y. We take common x plus y. If we take common x plus y, then we get whole square of x minus y into 3xy. X plus y, we write down x square plus y square plus 2xy, 3xy. So x plus y, x square plus y square minus xy. So this is the required identity. This is the required identity. Again we understand x cube plus y cube equal to, we have to prove x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. This is the factor form of this expression. So we take x cube plus y cube, adding and subtracting 3xy bracket x plus y. So we add this and we subtract this. When we add this, we take this, this is an identity whole cube of x plus y, and we write 3xy in bracket x plus y. Now we take common x plus y. We take common x plus y. So what thing is remain? X plus y is whole square minus 3xy. Whole square of x plus y is x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 3xy. So x square plus y square 2xy minus 3xy makes xy. So this is the verification or proving of this identity. We also prove this by using RHS. We take RHS and we multiply this and simplify. So we get LHS. That was the one of the most simplified method, one more method of this sum. So you can solve from RHS side also. Like this, you solve second part of this sum. We start 10th question. 10th. We factorize 27's y cube plus 125 z cube. So we write 3y's whole cube and we write 5z's whole cube. We apply here the identity. What identity we apply? A cube plus b cube by factor form. So we write down 3y plus 5z. In next bracket we write 3y square plus 5z square minus 3y into 5z. What identity we apply? We apply a cube plus b cube, that is equal to a plus b, next bracket a square plus b square minus ab. So we write down 3y plus 5z, next bracket 9y square plus 25z square minus 15 by z. Like that you solve second part of this sum. Now question number 11th. In question number 11th we write down factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. We write down this 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x into y into z. Here we apply an identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is equal to x plus y plus z, next bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So we write down 3x plus y plus z in next bracket 3x square plus y square plus z square minus 3x into y minus y into z minus z into 3x, because x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z, next bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the identity. So we apply this identity and we expand the terms. So we write down 3x plus y plus z. Next bracket we write down 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. So this is the answer of that question. Next is the 12th sum. 12th is verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to half of x plus y plus z. Next bracket x minus y's whole square plus y minus z's whole square or z minus x whole square. We have to prove this. So for proving this, what we do, we can take left hand side or right hand side. We take suppose right hand side and we write down this. We write down whole right hand side. Then you expand whole square of x minus y, that is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy, whole square of y minus z, y square plus z square minus 2yz, plus z square plus x square minus 2zx, half x plus y plus z. x square makes 2x square, 2y square, 2z square, because x square makes 2x square, y square makes 2y square, and z square makes 2z square. Then we write down 2xy, 2yz, and 2zx. Then we take common 2. So if we take common 2 from here, we write down 2 x plus y plus z, and x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. We take this 2 from here, so 2 is cancelled from 2. The remaining thing is x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this is an identity. This is the identity of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So this is our required answer. LHS equal to RHS. Proved. Next sum. 13th. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, so that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So how we prove this? Because expansion of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is x plus y plus z, next bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Putting x plus y plus z equal to 0. So we put in place of x plus y plus z 0. So when we multiply 0 with this, we get 0. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0, or x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to, we take this right hand side, hence proved. We have to prove this. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So we get the answer. 14. So 14th. In 14, without actual calculating the cubes, find the cubes of each of the following: minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. विदाउट एक्चुअल, हम बेटा ऐसा नहीं करना है कि 12 इंटू 12 इंटू 12 करें, फिर 7 इंटू 7 इंटू 7 करें, या 5 इंटू 5 इंटू 5 करें, फिर इनको ऐड करें. ऐसे नहीं करना है. विदाउट एक्चुअल कैलकुलेटिंग हमें आइडेंटिटीज का यूज़ करना है. तो लेट x इक्वल टू माइनस 12, y इक्वल टू 7 एंड z इक्वल टू 5. देन x प्लस वाई प्लस z. तो x प्लस वाई प्लस z माइनस 12 प्लस 7 प्लस 5 plus 12, that is equal to 0. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. ये किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? xyz के. ठीक है. सो माइनस 12 क्यूब प्लस 7 क्यूब प्लस 5 क्यूब इक्वल टू 3 -12 इंटू 7 इंटू 5, तो मल्टीप्लाई करो, 7 इंटू 5, 36 और 5 का करेंगे तो शायद 180 हो जाएगा, देख लो। 6 5 33, हाँ ठीक है। 0 8 7 56, 5 0 7 8 56, 5 7 7 5 12, तो our answer is 12 minus 12 60. Like that you solve the remaining part of this sum. At last we solve question number 15 and 16. So 15 question, give the possible expansion for the length and breadth of the following. एरिया गिवन है बेटा और लेंथ और ब्रेथ निकालना है। तो एरिया है 35a² माइनस 35a प्लस 12, ठीक है। एरिया गिवन है, एरिया को ए से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, इसके फैक्टर्स कर देंगे। फैक्टर्स करो, तो फैक्टर्स करोगे अगर आप, तो आप क्या करोगे, 25 इंटू 12, 12 5 या 60 की 0 6, 12 2 या 24 6 30, 300 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स करने हैं जिनका ऐड करने पे 35 आए। 150 75 5 से कर दो या 3 से हम लोग डिवाइड कर दें 25, तो जो फैक्टर्स आ जाएंगे 5 5 या 25 और 3 2 या 6 2 या 12 और 5 5 या 25, 5 3 या 15, 5 4 या 20, 20 प्लस 15 इक्वल टू 35 और 20 इंटू 15 इक्वल टू 15 300. So these are the correct factors. So we write down 25a² minus 20 plus 15. 25a² minus 20a minus 15a plus 12, taking common 5a, 5a minus 4 minus 3a, 5a minus 4, 5a minus 4 और 5a minus 3a. So this is the area and we know that area is equal to length into breadth. So first factor consider as a, so possible length and breadth. Possible length and breadth are, we write down here length, here breadth, 5a minus 4 as a length, then breadth is 5a minus 3. 5a minus 3 or 5a minus 3, if we take length then we take breadth 5a minus 4. I think you understand and solve the second part of this sum. Next is 16, volume. We find out volume. Volume given है, वॉल्यूम से क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, वॉल्यूम इक्वल टू गिवन है 3x² माइनस 12x। फैक्टर करेंगे, कॉमन क्या आ जाएगा, 3x कॉमन, देन x माइनस 4। अब वॉल्यूम मीन्स क्या होता है, लेंथ ब्रेथ हाइट। सो पॉसिबल लेंथ ब्रेथ एंड हाइट इज, इफ 3 इज लेंथ x माइनस 4। First factor, if 3 is length then x is breadth x minus 4, or x is length then x minus 4 3, or we take x minus 4 or x 3 etc. These are the possible identities. So I hope you understand very well the exercise 2.5. So solve all the sums and you also learn all the algebraic identities. Next day we start the next chapter, coordinate geometry. So if you like the video, so अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो आप लाइक करिए। ठीक है, थैंक यू।